We're gonna go after this.
Maybe Apollo's Cherry.
Might be able to do that.
Or, not Alphabet. What's the yellow one? What's the other yellow one? Like, Pantheon. One of those two.
We'll see.
Those two I really like.
We'll see what we can get going on. All right, let's do this.
Yep. For Sissy!
For Sissy.
For Sissy,
All right, here we go up the legendary Ness Monster to go find out where he lives.
For Sissy, I will hopefully not get to touch it.
A little jerky on the climb.
Last time I felt like I really get to touch it. Smack it. Getting very wet.
It's the best time to come on rainy days. Here we go. Woo! Oh man, that hurts. Oh. Wow, that hurt. Raindrops in the eyes. Raindrop in the eye. Oh, woo! God, it hurts. Oh man. In the cave. Here we go. Would not suggest this on a rainy day.
Yeah.
Gosh. Here we go.
Put that in the comments.
All right. Eyes open. Man, that rain.
Entire face.
God, that raindrop hurts.
I got it.